Welcome to section 1.1. Today we're going to go over 1.1 through 1.4 because that's what it says we're supposed to do in the first week. So we're supposed to go over 1.1.1 through 1.4. We're going to do it rather quickly. Talking about the whole numbers. Whole numbers are natural numbers. Along with the number 0. You're going to find out I use a lot of shorthand. In addition to using a lot of shorthand, I also simplify things. I don't like to use a lot of words. I'm not an English person. I am a math person. Natural numbers are numbers like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., 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 so forth and so on. Numbers you can count on your hands, fingers, and toes because they're natural. Your hands, fingers, and toes are natural. Whole numbers are the number 0 and all those other numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, so forth and so on. Note that 0 is a whole number, but not a natural number. Then we have to talk about the decimal system. The decimal system is a base 10 system and a place value that depends on 3 things. The 10 digits, that's 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and the placement of each digit, and the value of each place. Reading whole numbers. Digits are read in periods. In other words, groups of 3. Commas are used to separate periods. And if a number has more than 4 digits. The word and does not appear in whole numbers written in words. And is only said when reading a decimal. Point. Hyphens are used to write words for 2-digit numbers, from 21 to 99. Except those ending in 0. For example, 21. Now you can take your picture if you wanted to. Reading and writing, they want you to write it in standard notation. 27,336. 27,000, that's my comma. 336. 336. So if you did not know, you had your, here, let me go up here and write it. You had your ones grouping, or your ones period, and then you had your thousands. Then you had your millions. Billions. Trillions. Inside of the ones, we had our ones place, our tens, and our hundreds. Then for the thousands, we had the thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, comma, because each grouping gets a comma. Each period gets a comma. Then you have the millions, 10 millions, 100 millions, billions, 10 billions, 100 billions, trillions, 10 billions, 10 trillions, 100 trillions, etc., etc., etc. Keeps on going. So when they say 340 million, that tells me we're here in the millions. 300 is there, 40 is there. So 340 million. Million is where I put my comma. Notice there's a comma there. That's why there's a comma there. 62,000. So the 62 goes there, comma, but there got to be 3 in there. So it must be a 0 in front of the 62 because I need 3. Then 48. Once more, I need a 0. I did 2. Now you try 2. I'll give you a little bit of time. Actually, you pause the video. Take a little bit of time. Mm-hmm. 6,041 looks like that. 1,483,007. Looks like that. They have some true faults here. In the number 21,057, the 1 represents thousands. True or false? Answer is true. 42,360 can be written as 42,360. I hope so, because that's how I just read it. True. The word and is not used when reading or writing whole numbers. True or false? True. You only read it when you're writing decimals. Given the number, which digit indicates the number of tens? That would be 6. 10,000s, 8 hundreds, 0. Name the place value of each non-digit 0 in the following number. Non-zero digit in the following number. Place value for 2 is 10,000. For 4 is thousands. 6 hundreds. 8 ones. Write that in words. 683 thousand 100. $537,082. Standard notation. I'm okay with you not doing the applications or number 11. We'll do the rest of them in